everybody, this is Angie, and I've got a really cool thing I just found out, and we're going to try it out. We did it. We have a bamboo water shower for outside that we're working on, and we cut the bamboo. Well, I should say my husband cut the bamboo and brought it all back, and we were curing it, and I noticed that, or drying it out, and I noticed that it started having little pieces of mold on it. So I did some research, and this is so interesting. I know you're going to love it. If you're going to use bamboo like we are, by the way, Arkansas has tons of bamboo, and I would have never have known that. If you're going to use bamboo like we are, I'm going to show you how to cure it. It's called heat curing, and it's amazing. You take your bamboo and you run it through the fire, and it automatically releases its own resin. And at that point, you rub it down, and the resin completely coats it in its own oil. It's like a miracle. You can see the mold just like disappear. What you're going to do is you're going to run it through the heat, and when you see the dark start turning slightly, or you see it starting getting shiny, that's when you start the rubbing.
Let's get one and show them.
Let's get one and show them then.
Here, pick one out.
Okay, so we're just gonna grab one. These have gotten a little dry, so that's one reason why you're gonna see brown on one side and green on the other, but that is okay. I'm gonna get my gloves on. Do you see how he's just kind of running it over there? I don't know if you can see that it's actually getting shiny looking.
Yeah, you can see that on the camera. That looks good.
So then he's just running it through there, and when he sees it starting to get shiny, he's actually going to just pull it out. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. He's gonna pull it out, and at this point, you wanna use leather gloves, and you just start rubbing it. And y'all see how that looks like almost a natural furniture polish, actually. And it's literally rubbing it clean and curing the wood so it'll be protected through all the weather. Now, if you cure this properly and it dries, you don't have to use things like polyurethane or anything. This is all natural curing, guys. This is how Mother Nature intended it to be. So, anyways, I just wanted to show you that, and then let me set this one down real quick, and I'm going to show you one that we've already completed. So, after you cure them, you want to make sure you set them upright so that they can dry on their own. And I don't know if you can see how beautiful and shiny that is. It goes from a really dark green to a mint color when you rub it, and that will last forever now without having to use any chemicals on it. Bamboo is a wonderful wood, and we are going to enjoy this tropical look on our outdoor shower. So stay tuned and watch for the outdoor shower to come up as we continue. Like, subscribe, comment, and share, because we appreciate you and we hope you appreciate what we're doing. So just stay tuned and more great videos to come.